Hello, everyone. Have you ever heard of the honey badger? It might sound like a strange name, but this animal is a true legend of nature. Get ready to discover one of the bravest and most fascinating creatures that inhabit our planet. And stay until the end, because you'll be amazed by the incredible intelligence and courage of this small but powerful hunter. The honey badger, scientifically known as Mellivora capensis, is found in various regions of Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent. Despite its relatively small size, measuring about 70 centimeters in length and weighing on average between 9 and 14 kilograms, its reputation is enormous. That's because it is famous for its courage and for standing up to even the most dangerous predators. Yes, we're talking about animals like lions, leopards, and venomous snakes. The honey badger has a robust and muscular body covered by a unique coat. The upper part is silver gray, while the lower part is black. This color combination works almost like a warning to other animals. It's as if it's saying, "Better not mess with me." And it's no wonder it carries this confidence. Its skin is incredibly tough and flexible, making it hard for predators to cause severe injuries. Even when attacked, it can twist and counterattack effectively. Speaking of attacks, the honey badger is famous for its bravery and survival instincts. It doesn't back down from a challenge, no matter the size of its opponent. Did you know it can face off against extremely venomous snakes, like the black mamba and king cobra? That's right. And what's even more impressive is its incredible resistance to venom. Even if bitten, it may pass out for a few hours but soon recovers and resumes hunting as if nothing happened. Another fascinating fact about the honey badger is its incredibly varied diet. It is considered an omnivorous animal, which means it eats a bit of everything, from small mammals and reptiles to insects, fruits, and, of course, honey. In fact, the name, honey badger, comes from its love for honey. It's known to raid beehives in search of this treat. Even when faced with attacks from dozens of furious bees, it doesn't give up until it gets its sweet and energy-packed reward. But what makes this animal so special isn't just its bravery. It's also incredibly intelligent. There are numerous reports of honey badgers using tools to escape traps or access food. In a famous case at a conservation center in South Africa, a honey badger named Stoffel became known for his ingenious escapes. He could unlock latches, stack objects to climb walls, and even manipulate rocks to create pathways. Additionally, the honey badger is extremely adaptable. It can live in a wide range of habitats, from forests and savannas to desert regions. This ability to adapt to different environments is one of the reasons it thrives so well, even under adverse conditions. It is also mostly nocturnal, which helps it avoid unnecessary confrontations with other predators. Now, you might be wondering, how does the honey badger manage to be so fearless? One answer lies in its nervous system. Studies show it has a very high tolerance for pain, which explains why it doesn't shy away from enemies much larger than itself. Moreover, its natural aggressiveness serves as an incredibly effective defense mechanism. Another interesting aspect is its relationship with other species. In some regions, the honey badger forms a curious partnership with a bird called the greater honeyguide. This bird leads the honey badger to hidden beehives. After the honey badger opens the hive and eats the honey, the bird takes advantage of the leftovers. It's a collaboration that benefits both sides, showing how ingenious nature can be. Unfortunately, despite its fame and impressive skills, the honey badger faces threats in its natural habitat. Forest destruction, agricultural expansion, and illegal hunting put the survival of this species at risk. That's why it's essential for us to raise awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting unique animals like the honey badger. Despite its name, the honey badger is not closely related to common badgers. It belongs to the Mustelidae family, which includes otters, weasels, and ferrets. Native to regions of Africa, the Middle East, and India, it inhabits savannas, deserts, and forests, demonstrating an incredible ability to adapt to diverse environments. One of the most fascinating aspects of the honey badger is its reputation for being virtually fearless. In 2002, it was even recognized by Guinness World Records as the most fearless animal in the world. But what makes it so remarkable? First, its skin is exceptionally thick and loose, which not only protects it from insect stings and predator bites but also allows it to twist easily to counterattack while being held. Imagine a small animal capable of standing up to lions, leopards, and venomous snakes without hesitation. Speaking of snakes, the honey badger has a very unique relationship with them. It is known to hunt some of the world's most dangerous serpents, such as the black mamba and cobras. When bitten, it may appear dead, but incredibly, after a few hours, it recovers and resumes its life as though nothing happened. This occurs because it has developed an extraordinary tolerance to venom. Isn't that a kind of superpower? Another noteworthy aspect is its incredibly varied diet. While the name, honey badger, suggests it is passionate about honey, its diet extends far beyond that. It is a true omnivore and consumes insects, rodents, eggs, fruits, and, of course, honeycombs. Interestingly, it has an amazing partnership with a bird called the greater honeyguide. This bird leads the honey badger to beehives, allowing it to break them open for honey while the bird feeds on the leftovers. A fascinating and rare example of collaboration in nature. But it's not just its diet that makes the honey badger extraordinary. It is also incredibly intelligent. In several studies, it has been observed using tools to achieve its goals. For example, it can stack objects to escape enclosures or dig burrows to protect itself from threats. Its creativity is astonishing and places it among the most resourceful animals on the planet. The behavior of the honey badger is another area full of curiosities. It is usually solitary, but that doesn't mean it's discreet. On the contrary, it is extremely territorial and doesn't hesitate to confront animals much larger than itself to defend its space. Can you imagine an animal about 30 centimeters tall standing up to a lion without fear? That's exactly what it does. And, believe it or not, it often comes out victorious simply by intimidating its opponent with its courage and persistence. The honey badger's reproduction is also interesting. Females typically give birth to a single cub at a time, which stays with the mother for up to 2 years, learning to hunt and survive. During this period, the cub acquires all the skills that will make it a true warrior of nature. Another impressive detail is its physical resilience. In addition to its thick skin and venom tolerance, it is incredibly fast and strong for its size. It can travel long distances in search of food and possesses almost boundless energy. This makes it a natural survivor, capable of thriving in extreme environments where other animals might struggle. And, of course, we can't forget to mention the honey badger's cultural significance. In various regions of Africa, it is considered a symbol of courage and determination. Some local legends even attribute supernatural powers to it, reinforcing its reputation as invincible. If you thought the honey badger was just another small and insignificant animal, you now know it's a true giant in terms of bravery and adaptability. It teaches us that size doesn't matter and that courage and intelligence can overcome any obstacle. An inspiring example straight from the wild.